volunteers. Since we can't be together right now, we wanted to show our appreciation and how you've been an integral part in supporting the museum and all of our departments. Thank you for making the museum a place where awesome lives. We sure do miss you and hope to see you soon, and thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, just want to say thank you to the volunteers that help out the Kohl Children's Museum. Have a great day and be safe.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. A great big thanks to all of our volunteers who, without their perseverance, their commitment, and their love of every one of our kids and families, we couldn't run the museum without you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your support. Volunteers are the lifeblood of our organization and the key to our success.
Thank you, volunteers.
Thank you, volunteers. We miss you guys bunches and all the wonderful things you do for us at Kohl Children's Museum. I can't wait to see your smiling faces again. Thanks for all you do.
Thank you.
Hi, this is David from Exhibits. I just want to say thank you to all the volunteers for all the work that you guys do. We can't wait to have you back again playing with our kids. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Hi everyone, I just want to say thanks for everything that you do for the museum, from helping with our programs and projects to volunteering in all of the different exhibits. The museum would not be what it is without all of the time and energy that you dedicate to what we do. Thank you.
High five, volunteers! Thank you so much for your volunteer service at Kohl Children's Museum. Thank you. We really appreciate it. Me and the whole education team, in the art studio too. So thank you.
Hi, KCM volunteers. This is Natalia. Just wishing you so much joy, so much happiness in this time. We miss you so dearly here on our education team, but thank you for all the hard work that you've put in throughout all this time that I've gotten to know you personally. Thank you for all your help, and I'm sure we will see you soon once again. Thank you for being such awesome volunteers and sparing so much of your time to help out for such a great opportunity. We miss you. You're the best. Bye.
Thanks everyone for all the work you do. Hope you guys are home and safe.
Thank you everybody. We miss you all. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, volunteers. Your help means the world to us, and we couldn't do it without you.
Thank you, volunteers.
Hey, thank you.